Hey guys, Progressive Programming here. We're talking about limited equipment. Really, we're talking about building your own sandbag. So how to DIY a sandbag. What I have here is a good old-fashioned duffel bag I got from the CrossFit Games a few years ago. And I've already got one sandbag in it. Now, what I have is essentially weighted stuff. It doesn't have to be weights per se. It doesn't have to be a sandbag. It could be jugs of water. Just got to get creative and find something durable enough to hold the weight. So whether I throw some sandbags in there, waters, I can get this thing fairly heavy. Once again, it just comes down to the type of bag. Is it strong enough to hold on? Now, unless we're using it for rows or anything like that, we don't really need the handles. So we can kind of tuck those off to the side, or if they don't have handles, and just cut them off. But essentially here, now I have my sandbag. Now I can do lunges, I can go bear hug carries, squats, all kinds of stuff with it. Now, if you're looking for something, this is a great modification for a barbell. If you're missing a barbell, got to do some cleans, squats, things like that. If you are looking for a dumbbell or a kettlebell, I'm going to share just a little thought on how we can try to take something that's full of loose sand or weight and put it into something that is a little bit more, not so much durable, but less likely to make a mess. So once I throw this guy in there, I'm now just going to tie it. Now I'd like to start with just tying it into a bow, because then you can add sandbags to it. And these are just sandbags you can find from community center for flood warning or flood bags. But basically now I have a handle. Now I have two of them here. This can be a pharmacarry. We can be doing walking lunges. We could even go into some kettlebell swings, kettlebell cleans, presses, front squats, but whatever you decide to do, you just need to make sure that you've got a bag that's strong enough to hold some weight. Don't grab a paper bag, use something strong, okay? So once again, here's some options. If you get bored, stir crazy at home, go ahead and make yourself some sandbags and get after your fitness. Have fun.